Hello everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be giving you a few VPN recommendations if you're not satisfied with your Surfshark subscription for whatever reason. And without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out any of the VPNs that I mentioned today, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. Now, Surfshark is one of the best VPN services out there. Not only is it the most affordable premium service on the market, but it also allows you to secure an unlimited number of devices with one subscription. With that being said, Surfshark might not be for everyone. So in this video, we're going to be exploring 3 services that can be an alternative to Surfshark. First up, we have ExpressVPN, which is overall the best pick as it came first in most major categories, like speed, security, and privacy. Now, in terms of reliability, ExpressVPN has proven its commitment to protecting user data several times by conducting many audits over the years, on top of going through a real-life stress test where the Turkish government seized one of its servers in an ongoing investigation, only to find nothing that can be linked to any specific user. Now, other than that, ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, allowing you to access almost any content from all around the world. But what's so impressive about these servers is their consistency and reliability. Whether I'm streaming, gaming, or torrenting, I've had great speeds and uninterrupted connections. And besides being super simple to use, my favorite thing about ExpressVPN is how responsive it is across all devices. Launching the app only takes a few seconds, and connecting to any server takes a single second or less, which isn't something that I can say about any other VPN. And so if you're looking for the overall best, fastest, and most reliable VPN out there, ExpressVPN is your go-to. Next up, we have NordVPN, which offers the most value for money out of the 3 options. It's got some bonus features that makes it a little more than just a simple VPN. Such features include threat protection, which blocks ads and malware-ridden websites, and also protects your device from harmful files. And in terms of speeds, NordVPN actually rivals ExpressVPN, especially when it comes to gaming and overall performance. Although it's got over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, so 34 less countries, which means access to less content than Express, but more servers will mean that the user base is more widely spread across the servers, so basically more room for everyone to use. And finally, we have CyberGhost, which is the most budget-friendly VPN that we have on this list. It's even cheaper than Surfshark. However, given its low price, you're gonna have to sacrifice a few features. With that being said, you're still getting a solid VPN service that has a bunch of really cool features. For example, with CyberGhost, you'll have a list of all the specialty servers that are optimized for streaming, gaming, or even torrenting. All you have to do is type Netflix in the search bar, and it'll show you all the servers optimized for the streaming service. Other than that, you have the bypasser feature, which functions a little bit like split tunneling, except it only works for websites and not apps. So overall, CyberGhost is a great budget-friendly option on this list, costing even less than Surfshark while still having really solid features and performance. So to sum it up, if you're looking for the overall best, fastest, and most reliable service with arguably the best privacy policy out there, ExpressVPN is easily your go-to option. NordVPN is going to be the one to get if you're looking for a well-rounded VPN that offers bonus features while maintaining great performance and security for a reasonable price. And finally, if you're looking for the most budget-friendly option out there that rivals Surfshark in terms of cost while still maintaining a solid VPN foundation, then CyberGhost is your go-to. And that's it for today's video. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.